Students, good morning, all of you. Welcome back to our social science online class. I hope that you all are fine and safe at home. Okay. Then, don't you study the last class, Neolithic Age? Then I hope that most of them have sent the notes to me, and then I hope that you studied the topic Neolithic Age, very simple and interested topic now, Neolithic Stone Age, Neolithic Age, okay. Then where we stopped at the last class, I discussed the Lake Village in Switzerland. That was very, I thought that was very hurry-burry. So again, I am then the reminding and repeating the same topic, Lake Village in Switzerland. For recalling your then the your attention now, I am reminding and repeating the topic, Lake Village in Switzerland. Okay. And then what was the importance of Neolithic Age? The people were used the Polish stone tools, isn't it? Neolithic Age, New Stone Age. People were used the Polish stone tools. At that age, people started the cultivation and they started the settled life and they selected the river valley for the settling life. Everything we discussed the last class. Okay. Then Lake Village in Switzerland. Switzerland was the important site of the Neolithic Age. What was the important feature of the Lake Village in Switzerland? Last class I had showed the picture of the Lake Village. Do you have the textbook? You open it, page number 16, Lake Village in Switzerland. Then what was the importance of the Lake Village in Switzerland? Then how was the then the houses are made it? Houses are made it with the logs and animal skin and walls made with the muds and stones. All these materials are used for making the house. Okay. The houses are located in the lakes. Okay. Then that is why very important Lake Village in Switzerland is the site of the Neolithic Age in Switzerland. Lake Village, Neolithic Age in the very important site is the Lake Village in Switzerland. Then how was the house are made it? Then the logs, animal skin, using the logs, animal skin and mud, walls and houses built of stone in the Neolithic Age. That is the very important site of the Neolithic Age, Lake Village in Switzerland. Okay. Then another site is Jericho in Palestine. Another site, everything is the worldwide site. Then third one is Jarmo in northern Iraq. Third one is the Jarmo in North Iraq, isn't it? The three sites are the very important. The excavations are still continuing all these places. Then the Jarmo in North Iraq. Then in Kerala, there is one site is there, Edekal Cave. Edekal Cave is the site of the Neolithic Age. Okay. Then next is the Chalcolithic Age, isn't it? Next stone age, that is the last stone age, is the Chalcolithic Age, isn't it? First, what was the topic in this lesson? Content of the lesson: early human life, isn't it? Up to 5th century, early human life, Stone Age. The first we studied the Paleolithic Age, second we studied the Mesolithic Age, third we studied the Neolithic Age, and last Stone Age is the Chalcolithic Age. Last Stone Age is the Chalcolithic Age. In the Chalcolithic Age, that is the transition period from Stone Age to Metal Age. Up to until the 3 ages, the people were used the stone weapons, isn't it? Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic Age, people were used the stone weapons. But in the Chalcolithic Age, people were started to use the metal weapons. They had found the one metal. That metal was the copper, isn't it? So in the Chalcolithic Age, that is a transition period from Stone Age to Metal Age. What is the importance of Chalcolithic Age? In the Chalcolithic age, that is the transition period from stone to metal. Which metal they were used? They were used the metal copper. And they tried to find the one metal instead of the stone weapons, and they got the result, and that metal was the copper. So the first metal men were used it copper. In the world, the first metal men were used it copper. So that copper metal first used in the Chalcolithic age. So the Chalcolithic age was the transition period from stone age to metal age. Understand? And Chalcolithic period is the transition period from stone age to metal age. Many times I am repeating the important points. Okay. Then along with the using stone weapons, people were started to use the copper metal. In the Chalcolithic age, along with the using the stone weapons, people were used to the metal copper also. That is the importance of Chalcolithic age. Okay. Then let us see the major site of the Chalcolithic age. All of you look at the screen. The important site of the Chalcolithic age. Çatalhöyük in Turkey. Çatalhöyük in Turkey is a major site from where the evidence for human life in the Neolithic and Chalcolithic age have been discovered. So, Çatalhöyük in Turkey is the site related to Chalcolithic age and Neolithic age. Çatalhöyük in Turkey. Understand the name. Çatalhöyük in Turkey is the major site related to then the Chalcolithic age and Neolithic age. Then what was the importance of this site? Ancient forms of urban settlement were existed in the Çatalhöyük. Ancient forms of urban settlement. All of you look at the screen. We can see the urban settlement, ancient forms of urban settlement. Okay, look at the screen. Ancient forms of urban settlement. How was they were made it? What was the materials were used for making the urban settlement? From the picture itself, we can understand that they were used the mud bricks, isn't it? The houses were built with using mud bricks. Then the discovered from the major remnants discovered here are the ruins of the dwellings, and houses were built using mud bricks. So from this picture itself, we can understand that the huts were built using mud bricks. That is the best example of the Chalcolithic age. The houses were built with the mud bricks. Okay. Then the main cultivation. Then the major remnant discovered here are the okay. The huts were built using the mud bricks. The residues of wheat and barley have been discovered from here. So their main cultivation is the wheat and barley. Neolithic age, the main cultivation was the wheat and barley, and Chalcolithic age, the main crops are the wheat and barley. Okay. Then they draw the pictures where the drawn the walls of the huts. Pictures were drawn on the walls of huts. So we collected the information from the walls of the hut also, like the Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age. Then the Chalcolithic age, people were drawn the pictures on the walls of the huts. They also drawn the picture on the walls of the huts. Chalcolithic age, isn't it? The Chalcolithic age. Then what we understand from the Chalcolithic age, from the remnants of the urban settlement, we can understand that the houses were built. Huts. Huts were built using mud bricks. Wheat and barley were cultivated here. Then they drawn the picture on the walls of the huts also. So from this information, we got the information about the Chalcolithic site. The important site is the Çatalhöyük in Turkey. Then what is the importance of this Chalcolithic age? It is the transition period from Stone Age to Metal Age. What is the importance of Chalcolithic age? It is the transition period from Stone Age to Metal Age. Which metal they were used? They were used the copper metal. Then how did we understand the what information are getting from the Chalcolithic age? The people, there is one remnants discovered from the Katil Huyuk in Turkey. Then from that places we can understand that the huts were built using mud bricks, and wheat and barley were cultivated here. They also were drawn the picture on the walls of the huts, isn't it? That is the main information of the Katil Huyuk in Turkey. Then in India also there is one place one place where existed, there is one site related to Katil Huyuk in there is one site located in India related to the Chalcolithic age. In India, there is one site, look at the map of India, Mehergarh in Balochistan, very important site. Then all of you look at the river in the snow, then the northwestern part, Mehergarh in Balochistan. Now, our place is in Pakistan. Mehergarh in Balochistan, that is the very important site of the Chalcolithic age in our country. Okay, Mehergarh in Balochistan is a major Chalcolithic site in Indian subcontinent. Okay, then another important feature of the Chalcolithic age is the houses with ovens were built of mud bricks. Houses with ovens. The houses were made with oven. That oven is made with mud bricks. അതായത് അവരുടെ അടുപ്പ് വീട്ടിൽ എന്തുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, അവർക്ക് ഭക്ഷണം കുക്ക് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടുള്ള അടുപ്പുകൾ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, ഓവൻസ്. ദാറ്റ് അടുപ്പുകൾ വരെ അവർ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിരുന്നത്, മഡ് ബ്രിക്സ്. സോ ദേ മേഡ് ദ ഹൗസസ് with oven. That oven and houses are made with mud bricks. Okay. And then another evidence is about the potter's wheel, also discovered from here. So potter's wheel, they were used the potter's wheel. They used the oven adup. They were made with the mud bricks. The houses are also made with the mud bricks. Then they drawn the pictures on the walls of the huts. Okay, everything is the information are related to the people that live in the Stone Age Katil Huyuk. The Katil Huyuk, Chalcolithic age. Chalcolithic age, not Katil Huyuk is the site, Chalcolithic age. So what is the Chalcolithic? What is the importance of Chalcolithic age? Chalcolithic age is the transition period from Stone Age to Metal Age. The important site of the Chalcolithic age is the Katil Huyuk in Turkey. Understand? The important site is the Chalcolithic age was the Katil Huyuk in Turkey. Okay. Then, so from this topic, what did we understand? We reached from the rough stones to metal age. നമ്മൾ എവിടെ വരെ എത്തി? Paleolithic age, people were used the rough stones. The last stone age, Chalcolithic age. In the Chalcolithic age, people were used the metal copper. So the people invented the first metal was the copper. From rough stones, the people were started to use the metal copper. അപ്പൊ റഫ് സ്റ്റോണിൽ നിന്നും ആളുകൾ എവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേർന്നു? മെറ്റൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കാനുള്ള ആ കാലഘട്ടം വരെ early men എത്തിച്ചേർന്നു. What is the meaning of that? Then as needs increase, they improve the tools. What is it meaning? As needs increase, they improve the tools. അപ്പൊ മനുഷ്യന് ആവശ്യങ്ങൾ കൂടുമ്പോ അവൻ ചിന്തിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങിയപ്പോ അവൻ എന്ത് കിട്ടി? They tried to invented the new tools. That new tool was the copper. Okay. Then next he invented the bronze, and next they invented the iron. Appa copper കഴിഞ്ഞു, bronze കഴിഞ്ഞു, then next he invented the iron tools. That iron tools changed the life of the man, isn't it? So copper was the very soft, and again they mixed with the lead, and they founded the bronze, and the next stage he founded the iron weapons. Okay, so whatever then as the needs increase, they try to invent the new weapons. മനുഷ്യന് എപ്പോ ആവശ്യങ്ങൾ വരുമ്പോ അപ്പോഴൊക്കെ അവൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങും? അവൻ ഹാർഡ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങും. They started to think about, and they started to find the new weapons, and last they found the one weapon, that metal was the copper. Okay, they improved the tools, helped the progress in social. This leads to the invention of metal tools. With that copper tools, they help the progress in social life. That metal tool is helped for improving the social life, isn't it? അപ്പൊ മനുഷ്യൻ പാലിയോളത്തിക്കിൽ നിന്നും വളരെയധികം ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് എവിടെ എത്തി നിന്നു? They reached at the Chalcolithic age. That is a transition period from Stone Age to Metal Age. The people the early human life progress and reached the very at that changed. They were used for they are using the different types of the tools, and they reached at the using the metal age. Metal age use ചെയ്യാനിലേക്ക് അവൻ എത്തി നിന്നു. Understand? In the Chalcolithic age, very important. Chalcolithic age is the transition period from Stone Age to Metal Age. The important site is was the Chalcolithic age is the Çatalhöyük in Turkey. In Indian subcontinent, there is one site that is in the Mehrgarh in Balochistan. Understand? Mehrgarh in Balochistan is the important site related to the Chalcolithic age in the Indian subcontinent. And they were used the potter's wheel. What were the uses of the potter's wheel? For making the clay pot. What was the uses of the clay pots? For preparing their food, for cooking their food. So they made the oven, they made the clay pot with the potter's wheel, and they made the ornaments, and that then the animal husbandry was started, and ornaments making, metal making, everything was started in the Chalcolithic age. Understand? That is the last stage of the Stone Age. Then the our lesson is, first lesson is finished. Early human life is finished. Then we studied the different stages of the Stone Age, Paleolithic age. Then I am summarizing the lesson full. Paleolithic age, then they were used the rough stones. They are hunting collectively. There is no gender discrimination. And the second age is the Mesolithic age. What was the importance of Mesolithic age? People were used the tiny, sharp, small tools, and hunting was very extensive, so that the very very easy for the hunting was very easy for them, and different types of animals were disappeared, extinct from the earth, isn't it? Mesolithic age. Then Neolithic age, people were used the polished stone weapons. In the Neolithic age, people were used the polished stone weapons. Then they started the agriculture. They started for settling the. They started the settled life, and bows and arrows were used, and made the ornaments were made. Harpoons and fishing hooks were used for fishing. Then the cloth were used, and for seeing the cloth, they were used the needles with bones of fish and animals. Everything we discussed the previous classes. Neolithic age, and very important site of the Neolithic age is the Lake Village in Switzerland. The last stage was the Chalcolithic age. What is the Chalcolithic age? It is the transition period from Stone Age to Metal Age, isn't it? Then important site is the Çatalhöyük in Turkey. That is a very important. Okay. Then our first lesson is finished. Then okay, students, listen to me. I hope that you are clear all this topic, early human life, Stone Age, And the next lesson is the continuation of this lesson. Okay, then Neolithic age, people, the very important in the Neolithic age, people started to settle the life on the river banks. From the river banks, they formed the one civilization. So next lesson is the civilization, different types of the civilization. The people settle on the different parts of the different rivers, and from the river banks they formed the different types of civilization. In India, one civilization, and China and Egypt, and then the Mesopotamia and Harappan civilization, all these type of civilization were formed on the banks of river. Okay, then that is studied in the next lesson. So this lesson we studied that from the stone tools, people has reached to use the metal weapon. Stone-il നിന്നും ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീയിങ്സ് എവിടെ എത്തി നിന്നു? മെറ്റൽ ഉപയോഗിക്കാനായിട്ട് തുടങ്ങി. അപ്പൊ അവരുടെ സ്റ്റോൺ വെപ്പൺസിന്റെ ആ കാലഘട്ടം കഴിഞ്ഞു. അവരെന്ത് ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി? അവര് മെറ്റല് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് തുടങ്ങി. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? അപ്പൊ കാൽക്കോളത്തിക് ഏജില് നമ്മൾ ഓർത്തിരിക്കേണ്ടത്, കാൽക്കോളത്തിക് ഏജില് അവര് വിത്ത് യൂസിങ് ദ സ്റ്റോൺ വെപ്പൺസ് ദേ were made to use the metal weapon also. That metal was the copper. Copper, that was the first metal invented and used by the early men, copper. Okay, then I stop it the today's class. That first lesson is finished. Okay, the balance, not everything I shall send you. No, okay, thank you.